the emergency landing because it hit close to an engine. He said it's a 4-engine plane. Even if 2 engines went out, and still land the plane. The pilot was real cool. He said, so there's no danger.
You know, he's boozing up in there.
He said, we need to check. And my cousin goes, this guy was fucking smoking crack up there.
He's shitting in his pants.
He's like, are you out of your mind? He goes, I don't care if it's a 10-engine plane, and we lose 2. There's a lot of people on this plane.
I want 6 backups.
My cousin, they had a plane from, where did it come from? They had to make an emergency landing in Philadelphia. And they told them, like, you know, they got off the plane, they had the plane fixed. Plane fixed. Got the plane, no problem. Woke up to hurt, punch the car and go home. He's like, fuck you. He said, oh, they're coming from Hawaii. They're coming from Hawaii, and they landed in California, so they can't power stop over there. They're like 9 hours to power stop. Then they had to land in Illinois somewhere. There was a plane that happened, hydraulics problem. Okay.
Wow.
So I want to get back on that plane.
Just tell me the
don't have to know. But yeah. Frederick, the whole is Frederick, we should knock this light out.
May knock out on us all.
What did he say? What did he say? This thing always went out. It was like very temperamental, right?
It was either this one or that one. Strike.
I don't know how I'm going to stand tomorrow.
Yeah. You know, it's going to be a little muddy. You're going to get that chair. It's going to go.
Hello.
Take my folding chair, the bucket one.
You know what it is?
They're light, the one with the cushion.
You're literally like this. People are saying, they'll be tripping all over it. They'll be falling on me.
First you got to push Mark out so you can sit. Wow. Dogs are crazy down there.
Dogs is getting closer, louder.
The tree starts to come out and grab us.
They probably don't even hear it.
Well, once the big whipping wind comes, you don't see it.
Gibbs is freaking out for the thunder.
You guys got a power, there's nowhere. I mean, no power.
We have 7-pound chicken calls waiting for us. I think it's really freaking dog. You don't realize his life's doing a lot. We're grandfather walk home in that.
It's like there's 3 candles and it comes in like a tray with rocks.
You should get them one.
One in them.
To help you see.